Hey everybody, this is Eric with Momentum Options. Today I'm just going to be making a couple of videos to help our newer traders get a little bit of an introduction to the market. So today we're going to be talking about technical analysis and what exactly that is. So what is technical analysis? So technical traders, we look at charts and we use the historical data. So the previous price action, how the candles how prices moved on a chart over time, over history of that chart. And we look at this to identify areas of points of strength and weakness. So this is just looking for points of resistance in price and points of support for price. And according to Dow theory, the father of technical analysis, all technical traders assume two things. We assume that markets are efficient. If there are more buyers, price will increase. If there are more sellers, price will fall. Very simple. We also assume that the price movements are not random, that you can identify patterns and trends and points of resistance and support that will allow you to gain an edge. So you guys have probably all heard of, two really different types of trading styles, and that would be like fundamental versus technical. Now the fundamental trader, what they try to look for is how much is this company worth by determining revenue, expenses, growth, and they try to figure out if right now they could buy the stock for a deal, because in the future this company, ETF, whatever you're looking at, is going to grow at a rate that will make you money. Traders like Warren Buffett do this by buying Apple, a long time ago, first off, and just sitting on it forever and letting it grow over the course of their life. But technical traders, we don't look at the market exactly the same. We realize that people don't buy everything and sell everything just because it's worth what you say it's worth. If you go to buy a new phone, for example, lots of people, I would say most people, I'm not sure if that's exactly accurate these days, but lots of people buy iPhones, and they are very expensive phones. Some people argue they're the best. Some people say it's just the feel. It's kind of arbitrary, but people buy them and pay the exorbitant amount of money for them just because they like Apple, because it feels the best to them. And technical traders kind of see the market in a similar way. People buy things in the market because they feel like they're missing out by not buying things. The market is ruled, buying and selling in the market is ruled by emotions. So just like the iPhone, people buy it because they really, really like it. People buy and sell in the market because of things like fear and greed and desire and envy. And these are all emotions traders have to learn to manage. And this is also why companies like Microsoft trade 20 to 30 times above their true worth. But you guys, it says right here, don't be fooled. Fundamentals are still important. I mean, if a company you're trading technically gets hit with a huge lawsuit, or in the case of, say, Boeing has a plane crash, and their earnings will have to go down because they can't produce as many planes, that will affect price. But as technical traders, we just need to know if support is not holding, then we expect it to go down, then we can buy puts. Quite simple. So how do we do this? And as before I mentioned things like support and resistance, and you guys probably are wondering what that is exactly. And I'm gonna be making a couple more videos for y'all to help you understand exactly what that looks like. but there are many different types of support and resistance. People use exponential moving averages, simple moving averages, price levels, trend lines, Bollinger Bands, Fibonacci. I mean, there are a lot of different types of support and resistance. We focus on Fibonacci and price level, and actually a bit of it all at Momentum Options, because a little bit of it all can tell you a piece of the story. So if you guys are interested in learning more, check out one of the videos on support and resistance, on channels, on patterns and trends. Just these videos, basic knowledge of the market will help you make money. If you learn how to do it, these are very profitable strategies for beginners. All right, everybody, have a good day.